Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler Master all new black non-LED Master Liquid Atom Steel AIO cooler. So friend, Cooler Master has announced Master Liquid 360 Atom Steel, a brand new all black non-LED version of high performance Master Liquid 360 Atoms AIO cooler, and the Atom series known for a signature engineering seen in features such as a dual chamber design and customizable pump top cover, and all those features come packaged in a sleek and stealthy aesthetics. And the Atom Steel cooler is compatible with all new latest AMD and Intel CPU, reduce the number of cables needed, the leading to a cleaner and more organized system. And it comes with pre-installed Mobius 120 mm 2400 RPM fans for the improved cooling performance and simplify user installation. And the entire pump cover is manufactured with eco-friendly recycled plastic, putting our environment first. And removable pump top cover customizable with our own 3D printed design. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.